Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you.
My name is Darguin Fortuna, and I am one of the principals and co-founders of Flow Design Architects. Flow Design Architects started all the way back in 2014 when, at that time, Marco Severino, my colleague and classmate from school, and Shuetin Wu, another classmate from the BAC, the Boston Architectural College, came together. We were working at different offices, and I started thinking we could probably do better. Something was missing, something wasn't right. I asked the same question to them, and they all agree that something wasn't right about the workplaces or the environments or the profession itself. We weren't sure what it was. The next day I called and I said, today we have a board meeting and we're going to launch Flow Design. From that meeting all the way back in 2014, nothing really happened until 2017. In 2017, the vision and idea and goals came together with the help of many people. We launched Flow Design Architects. Flow Design Architects, even during the 2017 launching, didn't really know what we wanted to be. We started looking from within, and we realized that what was missing was exactly what we could bring to the table. Diversity, a background of ideas, concepts, and flow, right? The name of flow. So those ideas and concepts and the decision of actually being impactful and being very, very thorough on what we want it to be. A diverse architectural ecosystem that both develops the pipeline of the next generation of architects, but uses that pipeline to create better architecture, better community by representing our communities from within. That turned out to be a great business decision and also an amazing and legendary legacy. That's what we are, Flow.
Marco Severino, co-founder of Flow Design Architects. Since the beginning, we always have tried to create a space, a business, and a company that cares about clients and that cares about the product of architecture. And since Darwin and I started this company and this dream, we have been pushing and working hard towards that goal. I cannot lie, it has been a challenging time. Every business owner understands that. But here at Flow, we try to make sure that our clients are satisfied, that we always follow up with our clients and their needs. And when questions arrive, we always try and make sure to respond and be proactive depending on the situations. So here at Flow, our goal as a business is to continue working hard and making sure that we are there for the community and their needs, and that people feel that they could call an architect that will be able to respond to their questions when they arrive and be able to be in front of them depending on the situation. Our future, we have a bright future, and we will try to maintain to continue that focus into helping the community, trying to teach kids about architecture and design, which is one of our passions, and making sure to continue to help the community understand or feel a little bit more, and then making sure that we are there as a support for all the community and the people in general in the city.
Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you. Thank you for watching.